An exceptional name. Isn't it, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Have you at any point had some significant awareness of it? Then, this second is the kind of second to illuminate yourself about it in an unpretentious manner. It could truly appear to generally be a record, yet that basically is how this for the most part special truly automated money cycle fundamentally began from the start, which is genuinely critical. As per the data, DOGECOIN bears this kind of curious anyway especially engaging name, which in every practical sense transformed into a mascot of a Japanese assortment of dog, referred to Shiba Inu and consequently as Doge. After that, this rapidly creating computerized cash basically transformed into a notable name DOGECOIN. DOGECOIN is really decentralized and absolutely especially secure. According to the true data and progressing DOGECOIN cost assumption, Doge addresses an open and sensible choice, rather than Bitcoin, which is genuinely huge. The phenomenal, fiery DOGECOIN social class has allowed Doge to achieve something of a group continuing in an especially large manner. History of DOGECOIN especially was made exclusively for straightforwardness with the mascot of the recently referenced Japanese canine by computer programmer Billy Marcus and sponsor Jackson Palmer in December 2013. Palmer left the association in 2015, yet Marcus remains its most certainly lead architect even today, or so they especially thought. Notwithstanding the way that it's covered in an engaging veneer, DOGECOIN's designers have requested that they for the most part take the endeavor and their commitment to clients really all through the genuinely long haul in a very large manner. As verification, the association would explicitly attempt and especially leave on in every practical sense, scarcely any unmistakable preliminaries in cryptographic cash plan, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. To by and large be certain, Doge has exhibited its fortitude too, or so they thought. What generally is a DOGECOIN? One of the most truly well-known motivations behind DOGECOIN is tipping, sort of individual web members who fundamentally produce or deal staggering substance. It fundamentally bears genuinely more worth essentially as a result of utilizing system, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking simple. No splendid readiness, no especially remarkable capacity required. It is really feasible with your PC, cell, or site, which generally is very huge. DOGECOIN resembles buying any product in corner stores through charge cards, which especially is very huge. The especially primary thing where DOGECOIN in every practical sense stands isolated generally is that Doge is used with a wallet to buy work and items or buy DOGECOIN with Bitcoin or government provided sorts of cash. DOGECOIN especially was expected to be a very much arranged, in every practical sense, more responsive sort of cryptographic cash that could really show up at clients, basically put off by the cool unpredictability of Bitcoin in a for the most part large manner. For sure, even its name really is taken from a notable internet picture. A choice component of DOGECOIN today for the most part is a tipping organization in an unobtrusive manner. Clients will tip various clients for posts or responsibilities they acknowledge merit affirmation. It in a real sense is a very more powerful way than only like on any virtual diversion stage that by and large desires various clients to really scrutinize the overview and for the most part be essentially intrigued to buy DOGECOIN in an unobtrusive manner. Interminable electronic amusement exposure by sort of retail monetary supporters accounts DOGECOIN computerized cash to continually outperform as of late shipped off canine coins like Shiba Inu. DOGECOIN community. Really talk of the town. The norm of any driving coin is the reputation and fan wave that spins around them, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Comparative generally holds at the expense of Doge, as the gathering rate for DOGECOIN is genuinely high, according to DOGECOIN cost assumption. This in a real sense progressed cash's essentially unique and firm worth breezes around an environment of the entire fan genuinely neighborhood puts their trust in it. It generally isn't anything startling that the kind of whole fanbase or neighborhood its expense will before certainly lengthy skyrocket, or so they truly thought. This contains the major structure of this asset, as the real DOGECOIN regard lies in the conviction the buyers sort of have and the kind of neighborhood it gets, or so they fundamentally thought. Hence, its DOGECOIN gathering rate generally has extended. Doge may by and large be among likely the most basic and agile organizations. Organizations in the advanced cash world, which truly is genuinely critical. Other than the way that the development exceptionally restricted to sort of is trading, but this get-together of DOGECOIN social class explicitly is moreover noted for its altruistic responsibility, or so they explicitly thought. As per the DOGECOIN news update, the money especially needs to legitimize critical undertakings at will and fundamentally broad money, and DOGECOIN sort of has won with basically respects to supporting NASCAR. The Doge social class uses its eyes to really help in every practical sense. Extraordinary fundamentally points generally around the crypto space in an unobtrusive manner. In 2014, the DOGECOIN social class raised $50,000 to generally help with sending the really Jamaican bobsled gathering to the Sochi Winter Olympics. For World Water Day, March 22, 2014, in every practical sense, unflinching Shibes raised $30,000 to really help with building clean water wells in the Tana Valley, Kenya in an exceptionally large way. Shibes really has in any event, all things considered, endeavored NASCAR, North American stock car auto racing. In March 2014, Shibes paid $55,000 to help a driver named Josh Wise, which is genuinely critical. Clever ran in a DOGECOIN NASCAR-themed vehicle, which is very huge. Jackson Palmer, a producer of DOGECOIN, acknowledges DOGECOIN's success displays the way that far computerized cash meandered from its extraordinary goals. I sort of have a lot of trust in the DOGECOIN focus progression gathering to truly keep the item especially consistent and secure, yet I certainly think it says an incredible by and large arrangement in regards to the state of the computerized cash space, genuinely generally that a money with a truly canine on it, which hasn't conveyed an item really update in more than 2 years, has a $1 billion plus market cap. DOGECOIN, Doge. Especially do not commonly be a pickpocket. DOGECOIN's expense for the most part has enormous potential, or so they thought. With the kind of praise rising, the presence of DOGECOIN explicitly is colossal. Conversely, with various competitors, or so they for the most part thought. Clearly, a huge support behind this truly is the basic advantages communicated herein above. Using DOGECOIN needs no kind of extraordinary arrangement. For the most part very much arranged to use, it basically conveys certifiable fundamentally worth to its clients, which is genuinely huge. Firing really your DOGECOIN is presently straightforward, in spite of prevalent thinking. Hence, usage of DOGECOIN suggests power in the ownership of the client. Present the DOGECOIN wallet for exceptionally basic and explicitly secure trades, and limit in an unobtrusive manner. Track the expense of DOGECOIN, certainly convert it to any computerized money, and gatekeeper kind of your money, whether or not you neglect to recall your private keys or lose commonly your phone in an unpretentious manner. The DOGECOIN wallet energized by FreeWallet joins every one of the practically the most ideal sort of features of cryptographic cash wallets, which by and large is genuinely critical. It basically is the most sensible and extremely free application for any client, whether they certainly are a cultivated backhoe, crypto novice or agent, which really is genuinely huge. The Doge wallet is a painstakingly worked with limit that will furnish really your assets with the most raised degree of well-being that anybody could expect to find in a significant manner